hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's shower day, it's cooking day, so I'm gonna shower tonight when I get to the terminal, and I'm taking my 30-minute break along with my student, and I'm gonna take advantage, cook some food for today and for at least 3 days. Every now and then I like to meal prep, so if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm gonna be making chorizos con huevo and what's that thing called? Mushrooms. Sorry, I gotta pray for right now. But if you're interested, I'm prepping for food prepping for the week. Hopefully it turns out real good. I got 30 minutes. My student and I, we are on a 30-minute break. Hopefully I'm able to finish before he's back. There goes that. And I'm gonna add some jalapenos. I'm gonna add 6 eggs right now. There you go. I got them at Target. And we'll see how everything turns out. Some consomme right there, chicken bouillon. Ah! I can add some salt. One thing about this cooking pan is that for some reason, once it has reached the 400 degrees, it turns off, and then I have to turn it off and then back on again. So it warms up again. So that's something to keep in mind if you kind of like it, if you're planning to buy it or something. I put 4. So that's that. I also have veggies. I have meat. There's that. So there you go. And I bought this container, so Target. There it goes. Meal for like 3 more days. There you go.